Welcome student in standard 8 subject general science. I am Kumar sir here. Chapter number 6 composition of matter and video number 6.6. Before it, so for previously video 6.5 cross multiplication method for writing the molecular formula of simple compound. First step to write symbol of constituent element. Here carbon and oxygen symbol C and O. Then valency where carbon valency 4 and oxygen valency is 2. Write down the below. And third step is cross multiplication 2 toward the C and 4 toward the O. Cross line arrow. Then to write the formula of compound obtained by cross multiplication C2O4. Step number 5 to write the final molecular formula of the compound, the number of constituent atom in the final molecular numbers. For getting this, divide the formula obtained in step 4 by suitable number. Formula obtained by cross multiplication is C2O4. Final molecular formula of obtained by dividing by 2. Therefore, CO2. Molecular formula is CO2. Second, pair of element and their valency are given in the following table. Use them logically to deduce the molecular formula of the compound from the pair and write them in the last column. In the last column here, name of the element, hydrogen and carbon. Carbon valency is 4, hydrogen valency is 1. Okay. Therefore, in this way, cross multiplication 1 toward the C and H toward the 4. Therefore, CH4. Molecular formula of the corresponding compound. Second thing, name of the element, nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen valency is 3, hydrogen valency is 1. Therefore, molecular formula of the corresponding compound by the cross multiplication NS3. Third element Fe in means iron and S means sulfur. The Fe valency is 2 and sulfur valency is 2. Therefore, in cross multiplication Fe2 S2 but divided by 2. Therefore, molecular formula is FeS, ferrous sulfide. Now, fourth, carbon and oxygen. Carbon valency is 4 and oxygen valency is 2. Therefore, by cross multiplication 2 toward the carbon and 4 toward the O. Therefore, C2O4 but divided by 2. Therefore, molecular formula of the corresponding compound CO2. Now, in this chapter, and once again, use your brain power. Deduce the molecular formulae of the compound from the following pair of element. म्हणजे पुढील तक्त्यामध्ये आपल्याला काही मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युले त्या ठिकाणी तयार करायचे आहे. कंपाऊंड दिलेले आहेत, त्यांचे व्हॅलन्सी दिलेले आहेत. व्हॅलन्सी म्हणजे त्यांची संयोजन दिलेली आहे. हायड्रोजन फर्स्ट, हायड्रोजन व्हॅलन्सी इज 1 अँड से ऑक्सिजन व्हॅलन्सी इज 2. ओके. In this way, symbol H and O. Below valency H1 and oxygen 2. And cross multiplication, the formula is from H2O. Now second example, nitrogen valency is 3 and H valency is 1. Therefore, by step cross multiplication method, name of the compound, write down the symbol N and H. Okay. Below N valency 3 and below H valency is 1. Third step, cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, how find out the formula is NH3. Now third, Fe, iron valency is 2 and S valency is also 2. Both valency are 2. Answer is that write the symbol Fe and next S. Below Fe, valency is 2 and valency is 1. S2. Cross multiplication, here F2 S2, but it divided by 2. Final molecular formula is FeS. Second question, the valency of the atom H hydrogen, O oxygen and N nitrogen are 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen valency is 1. Second, oxygen valency is 2 and nitrogen valency is 3 respectively. The molecular formulae of these gases elements are S2, O2 and N2 respectively. How many chemical bonds are there in each of these molecules? या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला महत्त्वाचे काही प्रश्न दिलेले आहे. व्हॅलेन्सी दिलेली आहे, हायड्रोजनची 1 दिलेली आहे, त्यानंतर ऑक्सिजनची संयुजा 2 आणि नायट्रोजनची संयुजा 3 आहे. यावरून त्यामध्ये कोणत्या सिंगल बॉन्ड तयार होईल की डबल बॉन्ड का ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तयार होईल हे आपल्याला सांगावायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट इज हायड्रोजन S2 molecular formula S2 means H plus H. Here chemical bond in between them and H plus H having a chemical bond in S2 is 1. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये सिंगल बॉन्ड तयार होईल. तो लिहिताना खाली H आडविरेस लिहायचे आणि H वरती लिहायचं केमिकल बँड. Second is O2. Chemical bond in O2 are 2. It means O is equal to O. म्हणजे O आणि दुसऱ्या O मध्ये बरोबर चिन्ह द्यायचं, म्हणजे दोन त्या ठिकाणी रासायनिक बंध त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतील, म्हणून तो O2 त्या ठिकाणी तयार होईल. अँड नाव थर्ड दिलेलं आहे N2 दिलेलं आहे. मग या N2 मध्ये काय होईल तर या ठिकाणी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तयार होईल, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. मग हे लिहिणार कसं, हाऊ टू राईट, N पुढे मध्ये पुढच्या 3 रेषा आणि पुन्हा N त्या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे, त्याला ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असे म्हणतात आणि त्याच्यावरती ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हा शब्द लिहायचा आहे. ओके, इन दिस वे द चॅप्टर नंबर 6 composition of matter is complete. And to solve the exercise in this way, and I will stop the video.